the x-intercept. So we're given the x-intercept at 2, 0, right? The horizontal asymptote y is equals to minus 9. So we're saying the horizontal asymptote y equals to 9. Then the question says, write down the range of P. So A, it is saying write down the range of P. B, number 2 is saying determine the equation of P. So sketch number C or number 3, sketch the graph of P, show clearly the intercept, with axis and asymptote. So it is saying show clearly the axis, the intercept with the axis and the asymptote. So this is the question. It is saying we have a function that we call px. So we are saying px is equals to k to the power x plus q. So this becomes an exponential function because k is raised to the power of x. That makes it an exponential function. So we're given the properties. Now, this graph for k, we are saying k is greater than 0 but not equal to 1. The properties of k. X-intercept, the x-intercept for our x here, we are saying it intercept at the x-intercept is at 2, 0. That means we also have another x-intercept, but since now it's an exponential with 1x, that means we don't have any other x-intercept like the parabola where we have 2 exponent, where we have 2 intercept. The reason why we have 2 intercept is because we have a squared value of x. So when you calculate the x-intercept, you get 2 values. So unlike in this circumstance, we only have 1x. So when we set px equals to 0, we only get one value of x, which is this one, the x-intercept. So now, what is the range of p? So if you are given that our question is saying now the horizontal asymptote is 8 minus 9. So what does it mean? So when we're talking about the horizontal asymptote, we are saying we have so let's say this is it's not a parabola, it's an exponential. So let me draw an exponential like this, not in that way. So we are saying at this point, this is the asymptote that they are talking about. It's minus 9, right? So they are saying that our graph is starting from this point. It is starting from this point that we call minus 9. That's the horizontal. That's the vertical asymptote, but it's a horizontal asymptote indicates that the asymptote is going this direction. So this is horizontal. But we know that our y-axis is vertical, and it is the one that is carrying y equals to minus 9. So I think the minimum point on the graph is minus 9, right? But as our graph grows on, we are not given the limit. So that makes our range be. So now our range here, we're saying our range is minus 9 to positive infinity. Because we are given the minimum point on the graph, which is given by the horizontal asymptote y equals to minus 9. It's horizontal because the asymptote is moved from left to right or right to left. So it's at minus 9. But here we see our graph will grow or will go to a maximum value that we don't know. So that makes it the y-intercept minus 9 and the range -9 to positive infinity. So now we want to calculate the graph of the equation of we want to calculate the equation of P. So how do we determine the equation of P? Right? So how do we determine the equation of P? So now we are saying Px. So let me remove this part. Yes, this part. I can always check from the question. So we are saying Px is all values greater than. So we are saying Px is all values greater than -9.